Good morning, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And shout out po kay Sir Daniel ng Samar. Sir, good morning. This is your unit, the WEM92 Silver gas blowback airsoft pistol. So, iti-test natin, video testing. It comes with the power up green gas number 14, Pop Dino brand. And also comes with the 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. So, bali all in na po, kasama na yung bala tsaka yung gas. Gagamitin nyo na lang po yung unit. Okay, and this is the box. WE brand. Ayan. M92 model. This is the standard. Okay. Made in Taiwan. Isa na natin. Comes with the owner's manual. And the unit. Ayan po. Made in Taiwan. This is full metal. M92 is a full metal. Metal magazine. 24 rounder capacity. Metal slide. Metal din yung frame. Tapos, manual safety. Nakafix yung kanyang rear sight. And also, nakafix yung kanyang front sight. Okay. May thread yung kanyang barrel for suppressor, tracer units, and silencer. Wala nga lang siyang railing. Okay. So, full metal siya. Then, ito yung kanyang manual safety. Yan, manual safety. Okay. So, pag ikakasama mo siya, then safe. Okay. Single and double action po siya. Ayan, single and double action pistol. Markings WE. Okay, so unit ni Sir Daniel. Okay, so lagyan natin siya ng gas para test natin po yung kanyang muzzle velocity or kanyang EPS. Yung speed ng projectile. So this is chambered in 6mm plastic BBs. So upside down, then press. Okay? And then lagyan natin siya ng BBs. Okay? So again, shout out kay Sir Daniel. This is your unit, sir. The M92 made in Taiwan by WE. Full metal. Standard size. Ayan. Okay, gas blowback airsoft pistol. Ngayon, testingin natin kung ilang EPS. Okay. So again, this is the WEM92 silver full metal by WE. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS po ito. Firing 347.0. 347.0. Okay, one more. 358.8. So, I'm using the number 14 power up green gas. $332.5. And last but not the least, 354.2. Okay. And it's now on open chamber. It's open chamber dahil wala na siyang bala. So, just release the magazine first. Always release the magazine first, no? Press mo lang yung mag-release. Ito. Tapos, ito may spring kasi to. Sa M92, sa Glock, may mga spring yung slide stop. So, ang gawin nyo po, hatakin nyo lang yung slide at bababa yan. Yan. Then release. Okay, hammer down. So, lagyan pa natin ng bala at shoot pa tayo. Okay, again, shout out kay Sir Daniel of Samar. Sir, this is your WEM92 silver. Ayan, full metal. Made in Taiwan. Gas blowback airsoft pistol chambered in 6mm plastic BBs. So, testing. Firing. Okay, open chamber, release the magazine, pull back the slide, hammer down. Okay, Sir Daniel, okay na po ang inyong unit. Kung may question regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop, or contact nyo po kami sa aming official contact numbers. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.